Attire is different. Regular, right?
Yeah, regular.
But for the customary, yeah,
Yes.
special occasion, like the Barong Tagalog, right?
Yeah.
For special occasion.
This is for the
women.
For men, and this is for
For the
women.
women. Oh, there we go.
So this coming 26, we celebrate the IP month because month next month.
October.
October is IP month.
Oh,
So
really?
we celebrate October 26. That is our celebration.
Because we leave. When do we leave?
So we have
October
visitors from
Philippines.
LG.
Oh yeah, we leave the 19th. Or no, the 14th.
We leave the 14th. If we had known, we'd stay longer,
Yeah.
so we can come and see
Maybe
the IP.
next year. Next
Yes,
year we'll come
yeah.
back.
Saguran.
Made of abaca.
Ano? Abaka.
Avocado. Alphabet.
Abaca fiber.
No.
Abaca fiber.
Oh, abaca fiber, the material.
Oh,
Yes.
The material.
Wow. What is
We call it saguran in our dialect.
Okay.
what is avocado?
What is it made out of? What is abaca made out of? Is it out of
Is it like flat?
It
Bamboo.
looks like
Banana.
Banana.
Oh, banana.
The stem is like
This
a
is
banana.
all new to us.
Yeah, wow.
This is so fantastic.
Made of banana fiber.
Because I think sa una mag-weave muna. Namatay weaving din before pakuno.
Sa una pag karon mo na